Santa Claus Christmas card. So the first thing you need is a pencil, an eraser, and like anything with a circle, just like this size, you can use. I'm using my piggy bank. A red foam paper, who's the sticky ones, pink construction paper, glue, scissors. Be careful with the scissors. Always asking a parent. These cotton balls. I think that's enough. Put it away. Now, so just hold it in hand and put it like this. I used the mirror instead because the piggy bank was too small. So let's try to trace it. We don't need the bottom, so we just need to start at this end. Start tracing around and around. There. My mom put a little bit of mark here. You see the pencil? Because for I know where to start because I have the hat still. It's like a little mirror. It's like a mirror, like the makeup mirrors. So like it. Now let's make the little hat. Put it at the back and make a little Christmas hat, like a mountain. Then now let's cut it. The triangle. There. Let's just cut the little bit of here for it to be just like a little hat for Mrs. Claus, not Santa Claus. You can make Santa Claus, remember? So we cut it down here. So remember, I don't need glue because it's a sticky one. I'm gonna put it on here. I just need to cut some excess. So it's like this. Now I'm gonna draw my eyes. I'm gonna copy this. That. So I'm gonna draw my eyes. Gonna pencil, and then I'm gonna cover it with a Sharpie black. If you want to copy this one, I'm going to show you the steps. Step 1, make a little line in here. Make like a little oval, not like curve on the top. And the 2 lines here. And a little oval is here, like a little circle, but it's not a circle. And put little circles here, circles here, circles here. And then just put eyelashes. We're done. I'm just gonna make the other eye. She's happy. I'm just gonna fix her happiness. Yeah, she's happy. There, she's happy. And let's just do. This is the paper for under. This is just extra blush. You don't need to do this if you're doing Mrs. Claus. You don't need to be perfect. I'm just doing it for fun. Here's Mrs. Claus. So So now I need the black shirts.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho.
There. S. Heart. ZOE. Heart. Before I put the cotton balls, I write Merry Christmas, Heart ZOE. Now we can do the messy cotton balls. So I'm just doing like a little bit of bands. That's all. If you're wondering who's Mrs Claus, is Santa Claus's wife. Ta-da! I just colored the lip red. Now I got these red pom-pom for the cheeks. Like when you get hot, like cold in the North Pole, like your cheeks are gonna get red or pink sometimes. That's what I'm trying to make. Here's Mrs. Claus card. Now look at inside. Merry Christmas, Heart ZOE. Bye, like and subscribe.